The good news about Jesus as come to Luke chapter 21 from verse 5 to verse 19. Some sign will come before the world done. Some people did a chat about the pretty stone them with pretty up God's house and the heap of sitting them where people give God for offering. When Jesus said, the time I go come when not even one stone I go left on top of one another. All of them I go get licked down. Them ask Jesus say, Teacher, and when all them sitting here I go happen? What kind of sign we look for sure say they soon happen? Jesus said to them, say, watch out. No make nobody fool you up. Cause whole heap of people are going to come use up my name. And I say, me a Christ. And me God sent for save people. And the time for Jesus come back, they near. No follow them. Anytime when you hear about war and say government get turned over, no frightened. Them sitting here have to go and fuss. But the end now go come same time. Then Jesus tell them say, one set of people are go war against one next set of people. And one kingdom are go fight against one another kingdom. Big earthquake are go come. And all about food are go short and all kind of sickness are go kill off people. Some terrible thing are go come from heaven. And people are go afraid. Before all them sitting happen, them all grab on and deal with you bad. Them will take you and hand you over to the leader them for the Jew them church and send you go to prison. Them are go carry you go in front of king and leader cause you follow me. This I go give you a chance to tell them the good news. No fret about how you go answer. Me we give you the word them so you will know how to answer. So none of the enemy them can't turn up against you or say you wrong. All mother, father, brother, family and friend I go sell you out and them I go kill some of you. Everybody I go hate you sake of you follow me. But them can't touch even one strand of ear pan on your head. Who turn up strong for me, no matter what, we save them life. A Gad Wod Dis. Thank God